find your way back home.
Hello and welcome back to today's video. I'm going to be doing a little green colored eye. As you can see, I dyed my hair like a blue silver, so I kind of wanted to go a little bit. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now, I'm just going to be taking a blender brush and I'm just going to be dipping into this like lime green shade from the Morphe 35B palette. And then I'm just going to be popping this color in the crease. Now I am blending this up pretty high. I think I'm going to do a halo eye today. So after the green is on, I'm actually going to go in with a little bit of yellow and I'm just going to kind of place that right above it in the blended area of the green. I just kind of want to make it like fade in. Kind of like that. It's just kind of going right above the green and being blended in. I'm just going to go in with this little like tapered brush. I'm just going to be applying a darker green on the outer corner and then the inner corner of the eyes. And then I'm just going to be dragging that up into the crease. And then just drag that up, connecting it. And then going back with that blender brush, go ahead and just disperse the edges a little bit. I'm actually going back in with that lime green shade. And now I'm just mixing it, that lime green shade and the yellow, just to kind of create that right there. Alright, so that's how our eyes are looking so far. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some concealer. Alright, so now that's done, I'm just going to pop some glitter. For that, I'm just going to be taking my Juvia's Palace. And we're going to be going into Yuli, which is that white shade. And I am going to wet my brush. Basically, I just want it to be super pigmented. This is just going in the center of the eye. So like that. This is me going back in that brush with the dark green and just kind of blending that. So I'm just going to take that same brush and I'm just going to apply some of that lime green on the lower lash line. I'm just going to take this kind of like e.l.f. small rounded blush with yellow and just really just place that on the green as well as blending it downward. So that's how our eyes are looking right now. It's super cool. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop on some lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that our lashes are on, I just chose a super light pair so you can see the halo eye while wearing them. And then I'm just going to take that same shade we used for the center and I'm just going to pop that in the inner corner. And just for a pop of color, I'm going to be using Jeffree Star's Flamethrower Liquid Lipstick. Alright, and then we're just going to place some dots, so I just want them to be in the inner corner. So just something subtle. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed how to do this little halo eye. You don't have to do the orange dots. That's just my little flair to this look. But yeah guys, until next time, bye.